Hello WordPress people. So in this video we are going to talk about how we can restrict file by its format. So in the previous video we have created a REST API which uploads a file. So if you are new to this video, I would recommend to watch this playlist from the beginning so that you know what we are doing in this video. And if you know what you are doing, then just continue watching this video. So let's jump into the code. Before jumping into the code, if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would suggest to watch or review this website called WPVoyage.com. This has very good tips and tricks regarding Gutenberg development and Gutenberg editor. So please go and check out this site. Thank you. So here we have created this endpoint to upload a file. So when we created the API, we haven't added any restriction to upload file. That means we can upload any type of file at the moment, which is dangerous. So in this video we are going to learn how we can limit the file by its format. So for example, I just want to allow user to upload images. So how do we do that? Currently if I try to upload PDF, so let's try to upload PDF. So that is also I was doing some experiment, so let me remove this part. So it uploads PDF as well. Now I don't want user to upload anything other than images. So how do we do that? So for that we have to put some checks before it uploads the file. So how do we get the file format uh, of uploaded file? So for that I'm gonna add this. Our file will get in this array. So let's see what happens when we upload a file. Okay, so here we get this type, which is MIME type. So we can check this MIME type during before the file upload, and if that MIME type comes under our allowed file types, then only we will allow them to upload file. So here I'm gonna get the file MIME type first, which we will get in this array type. Now I'm gonna create an array allowed MIME types, and I will allow only image, JPEG, image PNG, and image GIF. So only these three type of images can be uploaded. So we will simply check this in array function. where we, we check the uploaded files MIME type against the allowed MIME type. So if this file type is not there in allowed MIME type, then we will return an error. Sorry. So file, let's see, not allowed. Sorry, you cannot upload this file type. And let's see what we can use as a status code. .415. So yeah, so this is, we are returning WP error with the status code for file type not allowed. Now let's check if we can, let me remove this. Now let's check if we can, sorry, what happens if we try to upload PDF. So it says file not allowed. Here is the status code and this is the message. So now let's remove the PDF and let's try to upload JPEG. So we are able to upload this JPEG now, and here we get the ID and the link of the image. So yeah, this is how simply we can uh, restrict files from their file type, so that you can prevent unnecessary files uploaded to be uploaded by the user. So yeah, this is how it works. Let me know if you have any doubt or question. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev.